Your legato pull-offs are weak, and brute strength won't fix it. Start with the finger independence exercise. Eyes closed, and when you pull off, pull the finger away from the board. Not up, away. Eyes closed, you're feeling for one thing: equal, consistent volume across every hammer and every pull. Eyes closed forces you to feel rather than watch. And when you're feeling, three things happen. You catch tension before it locks in. You hear inconsistencies you'd otherwise miss. And your focus deepens. You can hold it longer. You're cutting out every distraction and going straight into the instrument. Slow, consistent, eyes closed. That's the fix. If you want to go deeper, check the link below for more exercises. See you in the next one.